Hello crafters, today I'm very excited because I am going to be doing a random stamp card challenge. So in this lush bag, and it's beautiful, just for the camera, my sister has actually chosen 3 stamp sets from my collection, totally random. I don't know what they are, I kind of wish to know what they are, but I don't know. I'm going to see them and then I'm going to make 3 cards with them with you. So if that all sounds fun, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. If you didn't realise, I am back. I haven't posted a video in 3 months. I know I'm actually mortified, but here I am again. And I have to say that I really want to thank everybody who has subscribed, watched my videos and interacted with my channel. When I was gone, I was working on school. I had all these Christmas tests and then I had Christmas holidays, but I was working on projects and just like trying to keep up with things. So anyway, it's January and things have somehow quietened down a little bit, so I'm going to try and film some videos and get them uploaded. Anyway, I'm going to get started. So, I don't know what's in here, and I'm kind of excited, a bit nervous to see. I hope my sister's not chosen something too hard for me. Oh my god, okay, so the first one is Pandemonium by Mama Elephant. Okay, I can do that. It's a very good thing. That's very nice. Good on you. Good on you. The next one, it's a Do Crafts one. It's a background stamp. Perfect. She really does know me. This is kind of perfect because you know you can make backgrounds with it. And the last one, oh my god, is a sunflower stamp set. Okay, I'm feeling a bit challenged because it's a bit difficult to kind of use. Ideally I'd have had one with more clustered flowers, but I'll take the challenge. So I'm going to start making my cards now, and I'm going to go to voiceover. So to start off my first card, I took my Papermania Do Crafts sunflower set, and I know I committed an absolute crime here. I actually cut the stamp apart. It was just that I really wanted to get the leaves and the flowers separately, and you can always remount them together in the exact same way, so there was no screaming, but it's fine. And then I just arranged them in a kind of cluster around the middle, and I actually did another stamping with them, whether I did it more around the edges just to get a kind of even pattern all around. And then I used some of my Memento Tuxedo Black ink and I stamped that down. And by the way, I'm just using normal cardstock for this. And then I did this twice, and I also made masks. I stuck those down. It was a very long and boring process, cutting everything out. And anyway, here I have my Moroccan Lattice Do Crafts background stamp, and I'm just going to place that panel down with my masks and my stamped flowers. And then I took a bit of paper and I'm just going to kind of rub all over the paper to kind of transfer the ink to the image. You could do it in a MISTI, but this is my favorite way to stamp with background stamps. I just get the most success with that. And then I took a pokey tool and took away the masks, and I have to say I'm so proud and happy with how this turned out. I think it's one of my favorite backgrounds ever. And then I just coloured in my leaves and my flowers with different tiger markers, and I think used action markers as well. Just very simple colouring. It was actually very fun. And then I stamped out all of my pandas, and I had to do it twice or 3 times because my ink wasn't refilled, just to get the best image I possibly could. So to make my next card, I'm actually going to be stamping my pandas in rows. So I got my MISTI ready for that, and the MISTI saves your lives when it comes to these stamps, I have to say. And then I placed them down again. So I did 4 in a row, then 3 in a row, then 4 in a row, and then 3 in a row. And I'm just going to try and change the images up as much as possible. And this is such a nice graphic kind of image. I really love how this did turn out in the end. And I just stamped that down. And then I also, to make another card, I also made another background stamp. And now I'm going to stick my pandas on in the same way as the card on the right. And you could have done a lot of masking to get the same effect, but I think the 3D effect actually added to it in the end. Or an idea I had was just to stamp the pandas and then the background stamp on top. Don't worry about anything. I was going to do that, but I didn't have enough time in the end, and yeah, I just thought it wouldn't be creative enough for this video. And then I got more flowers, and I stamped them and I coloured them, and I just made a little cluster at the bottom. In hindsight, I probably should have put them in the middle, but I mean, there you have it. And I stuck down the sentiment from the Pandemonium set as well. Again, I really wish I did this in the middle, but look, regrets. And there's that card finished, more or less. You see me trying to take it off there. It didn't work out in the end. And then for the second card, I put some foam tape behind my pandas, and I just stuck them down kind of in the middle of the card, and then I stuck the sentiment beneath them, and I have to say I really love it. It really sets off the background so perfectly because it took me a lot of time. Then for the last card, I had an idea to kind of just put the flowers on top. I was going to stamp them in black, but then I thought embossing would be so much more creative and it would look better, and I have to say it does look better. So I just embossed them, yeah, and I did 2 stamping of each flower. Again, using the Misty makes it so much faster. And yeah, so you have the pandas and then the flowers on top, and I have to say I really do like how it looks. So that's really all for today. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned and tell me down below what you want to see next. Bye!